In the late 90s, if you wanted to learn something new, you would likely use a CD-ROM of Microsoft Encarta or Encyclopedia Britannica on a computer to get the information. But this was all about to change very soon, with the rise of Wikipedia making the CD-ROM encyclopedia completely obsolete. Over 2,000 years ago, the Library of Alexandria in Egypt tried to collect all of the known knowledge in the world in scroll form. Fires, wars, and neglect caused the library's downfall, but by the 1700s, the first printed encyclopedia emerged in France, called Diderot's Encyclopedia. Then came Encyclopedia Britannica in leather-bound format. The problem with printed encyclopedias was the information would not always be up to date. So when home computers arrived, encyclopedia publishers started putting all the information on a disk, as Britannica's parent company Compton's did in 1989. Then came Microsoft. They initially asked to license Encyclopedia Britannica back in 1985, but they refused. So Microsoft tried something different. They licensed another reference work called Funk and Wagnalls, and with some help, they launched Microsoft Encarta in 1993. The first version cost $400 and barely sold, so Microsoft made it free with new Windows computers. After the first year, it sold over 350,000 copies. Britannica released its own encyclopedia at $1,000 in 1994. Encarta kept growing through the 90s. In March 2000, internet entrepreneur Jimmy Wales created a free online encyclopedia named Nupedia, and he hired a philosophy graduate named Larry Sanger to run the business. They planned to put each article through rigorous multi-stage peer review to make it just as trustworthy as Britannica. Nupedia had 2,000 people helping to create the content, but after 1 year, only 12 finished articles had been created. The whole process was too slow. Then, over tacos, Larry Sanger was speaking to Ben Kovitz, a computer programmer, who said the way to solve the problem was to use wikis, created by the programmer Ward Cunningham. The wikis allowed anyone to edit a page in their browser. Wiki means quick in the Hawaiian language. That same night, Sanger phoned Wales to tell him about wikis and how it could speed up the online encyclopedia. They started a test page on Cunningham's own wiki to see what it would look like. They called it Wikipedia. 5 days later, on the 15th of January 2001, Wikipedia.com and .org were officially launched. The idea was to use the content created at Wikipedia and then review it before putting it on Nupedia. News of Wikipedia spread among users of Nupedia, then /dot mentioned it, and by summer 2001, Wikipedia passed 10,000 articles. After 1 year, it had 20,000 articles across 18 different languages. By 2003, Nupedia was shut down. While Wikipedia was exploding, Encarta was still updating its disks. By January 2003, Wikipedia had more articles than Encarta, at 100,000 articles, and then 1.5 million on January 2006. Then, on March 2009, Microsoft announced the end of Encarta entirely. 16 years earlier, Encarta had killed the printed encyclopedia business by being cheaper and faster. Wikipedia did not just make a free encyclopedia, it allowed anyone to contribute to that encyclopedia. While it is not perfect, it is up to date. 25 years after coining the word Wikipedia, Larry Sanger has been blocked from editing the site due to what the Wikipedia community branded a violation of the outside canvassing policy, due to a post he made on X social media relating to promoting a neutral point of view on the site's content.